Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese crisp. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need your favorite hard cheese, like cheddar or Parmesan. Grate about 1/4 cup of cheese for each crisp you plan to make. Next, prepare your baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup easy. This simple preparation ensures a perfect start to your delicious snack. Now, let's bake. Arrange your grated cheese into small, separate mounds on the parchment-lined sheet. Make sure they are about 2 inches apart to allow for spreading. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the crisps for 5 to 8 minutes. Keep a close eye on them. You want to see golden brown edges and a bubbly center for perfection. Once baked, it's time to cool your crisps. Let them rest on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This brief cooling period helps them firm up slightly. Then, carefully transfer the crisps to a wire rack to cool completely. They will become wonderfully crisp as they reach room temperature. For optimal freshness, store them in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Want to get creative? Try adding a pinch of garlic powder or a dash of paprika to your cheese before baking for an extra flavor kick. Don't be afraid to experiment with various cheese types, like provolone or Swiss, to discover new favorites. These versatile crisps are perfect as a standalone snack or as a delightful, crunchy topping for salads and soups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.